In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use iMovie on an iPad. When you first open up iMovie, you'll need to see that there is a plus sign to start a new project. Click on the plus sign to open up your new project. Select Movie from the New Project menu. iMovie will now allow you to select from video photos that you have available to you on the iPad. Go ahead and simply select any of the content you wish to have in your project. At the bottom, click Create Movie. And now all of your content has been placed on your timeline. To adjust how long a clip is shown, simply highlight a clip and then drag a handle to the left or the right to make it longer or shorter. To adjust the movement of your clip, tap on the clip and then turn off Ken Burns, and then you can pinch with your fingers the image to move it or make it smaller. I will do the same thing with image number 2 and adjust the picture and how it is displayed in the timeline. To add additional content to your project, click on the Media option over here on the right hand side and select from any videos or pictures you may have on the iPad. Hopefully that will get you started with adding content for your legacy project.